Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a new public server in Roblox. First, open Roblox Studio and select New to begin a fresh project. You'll then choose a base plate or template to lay the foundation for your game. It's crucial to save your game to Roblox early on, as this step enables all the necessary publishing features for your new server. Now, let's focus on building your game world. Use the tools in Roblox Studio to add objects, write scripts, and sculpt terrain, truly customizing your experience. Remember to test your game frequently within Studio. This helps catch any issues early. Design with player engagement in mind, aiming to create a fun and memorable experience for everyone. Next, we'll configure your game's settings. Navigate to Game Settings to adjust privacy and access permissions. To make your server public, ensure the game is set to public, allowing all players to join. You might also consider enabling Allow Private Servers if you want to offer players the option to create their own instances of your game. Finally, it's time to publish and share your server. Go to File and select Publish to Roblox to make your latest changes live. Once published, you can share your game link with friends and the wider Roblox community. Remember to monitor player feedback and update your game regularly to keep it fresh and engaging for everyone who visits your new public server.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.